Hey, it's me, your 17-year-old silly self. Tomorrow you will be 18. So, cheers to adulthood. First of all, I want you to know that I love you. I love the person you are becoming. I am always your biggest fan. So, please don't let others define who you are. Whatever you will do, people will never stop talking behind your back. So, just do whatever you feel, whatever makes you happy. This is really an important phase, chapter of your life. Soon you will get into a college and indulge yourself in all sorts of curricular activities, make some good friends and lots of memories. Also, the most important thing, find your true self in this journey. Don't compare yourself with others. Just focus on developing yourself and become your best version, bestest version. Did you learn how to ride bike? It's one of your childhood dreams. Also, did you start hitting the gym? And if you do, walk out more, girl. I want to feel sexy. And please don't quit shooting and filming random videos. You always wanted this, okay? So just do it. Now, take one advice, please. Please don't date anyone in your early 20s. Don't waste this precious chapter by chasing temporary happiness. Rather, choose yourself daily and enjoy every little moment. You already got your heart broken, and it took me one whole year to come out from that toxic relationship. So just stay away, okay? First, build yourself and practice to be nice with everyone. And you better never ever dare to hurt your father. That man sacrificed his whole life for you. Your Baba and Bhai love you. Please take care of them. Earn lots of money, work your ass off, utilize your college days, and start earning soon. By the way, are you living on your own? Girl, you always wanted to fly the nest. Don't be afraid and just do it. I have been preparing so long for this moment. But never forget, no one came to check on you when you went in depression, locked yourself for more than a week, didn't eat or even peed. Baba was always there. Every day he used to check on you, made sure you are still breathing. Yeah, that was your freaking condition. Depression is not a joke. So stay away from negative energies. Please, all sorts of negative energies. Stay away from negative, toxic people. Set healthy boundaries and protect yourself, okay? Don't let anyone treat you wrong. Girl, you deserve the best. Trust me, you deserve the best and you will get whatever you want, whatever you are trying hard to achieve. Bro, live your best life. Right now, I have thrown out all the negative, toxic people from my life. Okay, so now just work hard, study, and get your goals. Just focus on yourself. No damn relationships, nothing. Just remember, for the next few years, you are in a relationship with your own self, with yourself. And always be grateful for what you have currently in your life. Right now, I have such amazing, positive minded friends. Not friends, one friend. But it's okay, I'm happy. and that what matters. No, basically I have a little group of girlfriends, 3 4 girls, and they are really amazing, and I am blessed to spend my last 2 years with them. We made so many amazing memories all together, and I am really grateful for everything that I have right now, for everything. Okay, listen. Never ever let your baba down for anyone. Like, never, okay? Always remember your father loves you. Me love you.